Welcome to the factor label review for your test. On the test, the factor label problems that you're going to do are pretty much the simple kind. So for example, you might see something like this. Find the number of grams in 64 kilograms. Now remember, you might have some other way of solving this problem that you learned in another class, but I want you to do it using the factor label method. That means you start by writing the number that you were given, which is 64, with its units, which are kilograms. You can put it over 1 if that makes you more comfortable. And then you're going to multiply by the conversion factor that gets rid of kilograms and brings you to grams, which you have to have memorized. So the word kilo means 1,000, so a kilogram has 1,000 grams in it. Now, all of this has to be written there in order for you to get full credit, because the whole point in the factor label method is that you're keeping your labels and showing how you're getting rid of one and getting to the other. So you'll notice when I did this that I start by writing my units in, because what I want is my kilograms to cancel with my kilograms, and they can only do that if they're on opposite ends of the problem. One is on top, one is on the bottom. So this means that I need to multiply straight across. 64 times 1,000 is 6,400. My units are now grams, and 1 times 1 is going to be 1, so I don't need to write that. And I box my answer so that it stands out. Now think about this. The steps are the same for every single problem that you're going to do. And they're all one-step problems on the test. There's no two-steppers. So as long as you know the basic conversion factors between grams and kilograms, between milligrams and grams, between meters and centimeters, between liters and milliliters, you'll be okay. You don't have to know all the in-between ones because I'm not going to go there on the test. However, if you don't understand the setup, that's a problem. So look at the setup. You always start the same way. You take this number with its units and you write that, whatever it is. You multiply by something that has the same units on the bottom and the units you're trying to get to on the top. So I'm going to give you another one. See if you can do it. Just pause the tutorial, look at it, do it, and then see if you did it the way I did. Okay, try that one. Go ahead and pause it and see if you can figure out how many meters are in 21 centimeters. Okay, so here's how you start. Just like above, we take the number we were given with the units. If it helps you, put it over 1. Next step, I need to get rid of centimeters and go to meters. So centimeters should be on the bottom. How many centimeters are in a meter? There's 100. A cent is 1/100th of a dollar, and the word centi means 1/100th. So if I multiply across the top, I get my centimeters cancel with my centimeters. I get 21 meters divided by 100. And that's going to be moving the decimal place over 2, right? So 21 divided by 100 is 0.21 meters. Okay. Practice is how you get good at this. So do a bunch of practice problems with me on the next page. Pause, try it, then look and see if you did what I did. Okay, try this one. Okay, so write the number with the units. Put it over 1. Multiply so that grams go away and kilograms are left. What's the relationship here? Kilo means 1,000, so there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. Multiply through. Grams cancel with grams. I get 45,600 kilograms divided by 1,000. So I'm going to move that decimal place over 3 spaces. So that's going to give me 45.6 kilograms. No, that's wrong. Sorry, moved my decimal place the wrong way. This is why you should probably use your calculator, because like me, you probably make this mistake. So when I moved my decimal place, I moved it too many spaces. So when I did it on my calculator, it was actually 456 kilograms. Duh, dopey teacher. Don't be like me. Actually do it out correctly. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, how many liters are in 3,275 milliliters? Pause and see if you can do it. Again, you start with the number you're given with the units. Milliliters. I'm getting rid of milliliters, so they're going to go on the bottom, and I'm going to liters. That's going to cancel. There are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So basically I'm just dividing by 1,000, right? So I'm going to get 3,275, I learned my lesson doing it on the calculator, divided by 1,000 equals 3.275 liters. Now, the mistake that people make all the time is they're going to know that it's 1,000 to 1, but they're going to put the 1,000 on the top instead of on the bottom. The way you avoid making that mistake is milliliters has to cancel with milliliters. So the milliliters has to go on the bottom. If the problem was going from milliliters to liters, you'd have to do it the other way around because your starting number would have liters in it and you'd want to cancel liters with each other. So let me do one like that so you can see. Try doing it this way. See how you do. 251 liters over 1. This time liters are going to be on the bottom, milliliters are going to be on top. 1 liter, 1,000 milliliters. Liters cancel, leaving me with 251 times 1,000, which is 251,000, and my units are milliliters. Ta-da! There you go. You can practice as many of these as you want to. I would recommend that if you need more practice, you see me, I have lots of worksheets with the answers already calculated out on keys, so you can check your work as you go. There's also lots of online tutorials that'll do this with you, so I can direct you to those. So come see me if you need that. But this tutorial hopefully showed you how to set the problem up so that you can get it done correctly. Okay, see you in the next one.